In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design RC high pass filter. Okay, this was a previous circuit. Please check the previous video of RC low pass filter. I will give the video link in the description. First check this video, okay? And for RC high pass filter, we just have to interchange the value of the resistor and the capacitor, okay? And here capacitor, okay. Now on this model, let's check what happened. And, here you can see our resistance value is 4.7k and C is given here, and you can see our cutoff frequency is about 720, okay. So after the 720 hertz, the signal should pass, and before 720 hertz, the signal should cut off, okay. And this is the 3 dB point. And if I run this model, sorry, this gets stuck. Okay, now run this. Now you can see the reverse behavior, then low pass filter, okay. Here you can see the amplitude, voltage amplitude is higher when the frequency is about 700 hertz, and it will pass the signal, and before 720 hertz the signal will not pass. So this is how high pass filter works, and you can design your high pass filter like this, okay. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.